Have you ever wondered what's inside Apple's mind-blowing $5 billion headquarters? In this video, we're going to take you on an exclusive tour of Apple Park, exploring its incredible architecture, sustainable features, and hidden secrets. From the world's largest carbon fiber roof to a hidden underground oasis, this campus has it all. So if you've ever wondered what goes on inside this tech giant's headquarters, make sure to stay tuned because you're in for a mind-blowing journey into the heart of Apple's innovation. Apple Park – design, history, layout. Even though Apple Park may seem very futuristic, it actually took a very long time to create. Steve Jobs talked about this project for the first time in 2006. It took 8 years to plan, get approvals, and permits. But by 2014, they were already building it, and in 2017, Apple employees were starting to work there. This huge circular building is now a famous symbol of Apple, showing how much they care about making things look simple, being environmentally friendly, and the future of technology. Originally, it was thought that building the campus would cost only $500 million. However, just the land itself cost $160 million, and the expenses quickly went up. By 2011, the planned budget had increased to almost $3 billion, and when everything was finished, Apple had to pay around $5 billion. That's a lot of money, but for Apple, a company worth $2 trillion and expected to make about $60 billion this year alone, it's not so hard to explain. So where did all that money go, and what makes Apple Park so amazing? Sustainability. To begin with, the campus consists of many buildings, but a significant 80% of the area is dedicated to green spaces. Apple and the designers worked hard to make the park blend in with nature. They planted over 9,000 trees that can withstand dry conditions, including cherry, apricot, olive, and, of course, various types of apple trees to encourage employees to stay healthy. The grounds feature 3.2 kilometers of walking and running trails, and there are 1,000 bikes available for commuting between the buildings. There are also facilities for a healthy lifestyle, such as a gym, wellness center, and a couple of basketball courts. Additionally, there's a large 2-story yoga studio where office workers can relax and relieve their back pain. The campus takes good care of its employees and the environment as well. Every building in the campus is very environmentally friendly. The main circular building has one of the biggest solar farms on its rooftop in the world. This solar-covered roof can make up to 17 megawatts of electricity, which is sufficient to supply 75% of the energy the campus needs when it needs it most. For the rest of the campus's energy needs, they use on-site fuel cells that are powered by biofuel or natural gas. The main building also uses a natural ventilation system, which means it doesn't have to rely on traditional heating and cooling methods for 9 months of the year. This makes the campus even more environmentally friendly. Features. Known as the spaceship or the ring, the central circular building is truly impressive. It stands 4 stories tall and provides over 1.2 million square feet of office space, enough for up to 12,000 employees. The design incorporates a lot of glass to connect the inside with the outside world, and it even includes the world's largest curved glass panes in its construction. There are 800 of these enormous curved glass panels, each 45 feet tall, encircling the building's outer surface. Inside, there are about 3,000 smaller glass panels fitted with energy-efficient LEDs. The abundance of natural sunlight and the extensive use of see-through materials make the spaceship an incredibly bright and inviting place to work. This no doubt helps keep the 12,000 staff members feeling energized throughout their long workdays, even though the building's design might keep it hidden from view. One of the most remarkable features of the spaceship is hidden deep below the ground. The central circular building is one of the very few structures globally that uses a base isolation system. This special system shields the building from even the most severe Californian earthquakes. It consists of 692 large stainless steel plates that allow the building to move up to 4 feet in any direction without causing any harm to its structure. Underground, you'll also find a vast parking area and road network that remains completely out of sight. The decision to place these facilities underground was crucial to make the most of the green spaces in and around Apple Park. The campus offers several other features as well. There are 7 cafes, with the largest one spanning 3 levels and providing seating for up to 3,000 people. The catering team at the campus can serve lunch to approximately 15,000 people. leaving room for growth if Apple decides to hire more employees. Additionally, on the campus grounds, there's the impressive Apple Auditorium, now called the Steve Jobs Theater. This striking circular glass building resembles the spaceship in its design and boasts the world's largest carbon fiber roof. Inside the theater, there's a 42-foot-tall glass elevator that takes guests underground to the 1,000-seat auditorium. This elevator, constructed from chemically tempered glass, is also recognized as the world's tallest freestanding glass elevator. There are several other buildings scattered throughout the park. These include a large fitness center covering 100,000 square feet, 2 research and development facilities, each spanning 300,000 square feet, a medical clinic, and the visitor center. Interestingly, the visitor center is the only building in the entire park that anyone can visit without needing a special pass. Steve Jobs Theater. The place is officially called the Steve Jobs Theater in honor of Apple's co-founder and former CEO. You'll find it up on a hill at the campus. It's a 1,000-seat auditorium below the ground, and it's used for launching new Apple products and holding press events. There's a big lobby above ground that's shaped like a cylinder, and you can take stairs down to get to the auditorium. The theater also has 350 parking spots and a walkway that goes to the main campus, which is to the northwest of the theater. The lobby of the theater has walls made of cylindrical-shaped glass and doesn't have any support columns, which means you can see all around the campus without any obstructions. The roof of the theater is a real engineering marvel. It's made of carbon fiber, weighs 73 metric tons, and comes from a company in Dubai called Premier Composite Technologies. This roof consists of 44 identical panels, each of them being 21 meters long and 3.4 meters wide. They all fit together in the middle. This roof is the biggest carbon fiber roof and the largest structure in the world that's supported by glass. Inside the theater, there's a glass elevator that's 13 meters tall and can rotate 171 degrees, taking you from the bottom floor to the upper lobby level. This elevator is made of chemically tempered glass and is recognized as the tallest freestanding glass elevator anywhere in the world. Visitor Center. The Apple Park Visitor Center is a single building, but it's divided into 4 special sections. First, there's a 10,000 square foot Apple Store where you can find all the latest Apple products. Then there's a 2,000 square foot cafe. You can also go to the observation deck where you can get a view of the whole campus. And there's a special area for an augmented reality experience. This area has a small model of the entire Apple Park, so visitors can get a closer look at what it's like to work there. The Apple Park has so many fantastic features and facilities, more than almost any other workplace in the world. Apple has thought about everything, from being eco-friendly to making sure their employees have food, leisure, and opportunities to be creative. Some workers have complained about the open-plan office spaces, saying they're distracting and don't offer much privacy. However, overall, this futuristic facility has been received very well and has set a new world standard for how amazing a workplace can be. If you found this video as fascinating as we did, don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more exclusive tours and insights. Thanks for watching.